Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make a horizontal line in Word. We begin by opening our Word document and placing ourselves where we will begin the line. To create a continuous line, what we will do is write 3 dashes in a row and then press the Enter key. After that, we will see that a continuous line is created. If we prefer to create a dotted line, we will type 3 asterisks and then press the Enter key. After that, we will see that an entire line of points is created. Lastly, you also have the option to control the measurement of the line. To do this, press the Shift key and the key where the underscore appears at the same time. We will see that while we press both keys, a continuous line will be created. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.